We are in one of the most popular condo complexes in all of Incline Village in Bristol Bay. We're in McCloud, and today I'm very excited I get to show you a one-bedroom penthouse unit with the garage priced under $1 million. That's right, this is not an easy thing to find in Incline Village, but this is listed for $844,900. Yeah, whatever this price is right here. I want to say it's $844,900. But we're in McCloud. It's a beautiful complex. Look how close we are to the beach. It's just like 2 to 3 blocks. You gotta love that, right? And that is Incline Beach, probably one of our largest beaches where they have cocktail service. So you can hang out there and get cocktails. They have bands, I think on Thursday nights in the summertime. And then right next to that is Ski Beach where you can launch your boat. And another great benefit of having McCloud Condominium is they have boat parking here. So if you have, not very huge boats, you know, none of this love boat stuff, but you can tell how old I am if I say love boat, right? If you've got a smaller boat or jet skis, whatever, they've got boat parking in the complex, which is great. I love that. So we're out on the balcony here, super private. It's a great unit. We've got the beautiful French doors here coming out on the balcony, and you're above everything here. Since you're a penthouse unit, it's great. Since it's a penthouse unit, you got to come up 3 flights of stairs. So if you're not into that, you're not into staying healthy, going up and down stairs, this is not the unit for you. But if you are able to do that, this is going to be a great deal. So let's go check it out. So you come in Entryway, cute little entryway. We've got a bench here. There's storage under the bed. We've got a coat closet here. Lots of storage in there. When you've got a 1-bedroom condo, you want to have lots of room for storage, right? And this one does. So come in, let's check it out. You think 1 bedroom, you think small, right? But this is not small. It's great. It's 791 square feet. It was built in 1989, so we've got all the luxuries. Got a little dining room area here. We've got a gas fireplace. Nicely furnished. It's being sold furnished at that price that I said earlier that I can't remember, right? So the furnishings are coming with it, which I really like. So let's come check out the kitchen. Updated to these craftsman style cabinets, which I think are fantastic. Again, it's nice and compact. Coffee maker, refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, everything you need and nothing you don't, right? In here is the furnace and the water heater. We don't really need to check that out. It's not glamorous or exciting, but I do want to show you one more thing in the living room before we go check out the bedroom, okay? Check this out. In all my years of real estate, I've never seen anything like this. Because I was here once and I went to open these doors, right? They don't open. Why? Because this is a bed. Check that out. It folds out into a bed. Isn't that cool? So when you have a 1-bedroom unit, it's nice to have an extra bed, right? So if somebody wants to stay over. So I thought that was pretty neat. I just wanted to show you that because I have never seen that before. So great little living room. Like I said, these French doors right here go right out to the balcony. And again, you're above everything. So you've got a lot of privacy here. I really like it. South facing, you notice the sun on my face right now. You're gonna get sun in here, sun on the deck. It's beautiful. Remember, it doesn't get too hot in Tahoe, so it's great. They've got a little umbrella for the balcony out there. So I can just imagine spending so much time here. It's be really comfortable. And the good news is the McCloud Condominium Complex allows vacation rentals. So if you want to put this on a vacation rental program to subsidize the expenses, you can do that as of September 28th, 2023. Condo complexes have rules and they can change them all the time, but I've never heard of them want to change the rules here yet, but anything can happen just for future disclosure, right? And what do you think this would get per night, right? Look around, you've seen it so far. It gets about $250 a night. This one is not on a vacation rental program. The owners kept it very clean, very nice. The carpet is nice. You notice I'm not wearing my shoes. They don't let us wear shoes in here. It's great. And so beautiful condo, great shape. You could put it on a vacation rental program. I talked to Boyd who owns Goldfish Properties. They have another 1-bedroom unit on a vacation rental program. They get $250 a night. and the owners are using it a lot. So it's not rented out very much, but he says they're still making $25,000 to $30,000 a year, even though they're using it on all the major holidays and most of the summer. So we've got the living room, the kitchen, we've got a nice bathroom here. Let's check it out before we go into the master bedroom. Nice big size bathroom, right? You think one bedroom and you're thinking everything's tiny. It's not. This is good size. Got a full tub and shower here, beautiful sink. We've got a laundry machine here, stackable washer and dryer. You got your little linen closet. It's very comfortable. Great size. When you think of one bedroom, it's not tiny. Pretty good sized master here. This looks like a queen size bed. We've got desks on each side. We've got a closet here. Not a huge closet, we've got a closet. And it's just so comfortable here. I don't know what else to say. It's a great unit. It's furnished. You can put it on a vacation rental program, and it's in a great location. It's probably one of the best locations, all of Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. So if you're thinking of moving to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, reach out to me. I'm Tahoe Tony. I'm the managing broker of EXP Realty in Incline Village. And my broker salesman's license number is 144620. And if you're thinking of moving here 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, go ahead and give me a call, send me an email, or shoot me a text, and I'll make sure your move to Incline Village is the best move you've ever had. You're probably wondering what this door is here. What does this go to, right? Because we've got the balcony over there. We've got the main entrance over there. So this is an egress. Since we're 3 floors up, we need to have an egress in case there's a fire, which there hasn't been since this was built in 1989. So this goes down to the garage, which we're gonna go check out now. So at the bottom of the stairs, and McCloud complex, they do have amenities here, because I know I talked about we have the beaches right over there. Incline Village has a rec center with a swimming pool in and 2 golf courses. I've got videos on amenities if you want to check those out. But this complex has amenities. Check out that each little cluster has their own little spa, like hot tub, which is awesome. So they got a little hot tub there and a sauna. So you come in after skiing and you're cold, you always get that shiver. Come in here, relax in the spa, or check out the sauna, and you feel good. So let's walk over here to the garage. So I want to show you how close this is. So one of the nice things about this condo is it does come with a 1-car garage. So you got your garage right here, and your unit is 3 stories up. So it's really close and convenient. So you can come in. They also have this door right here. So if it's a blustery day or wintry day or whatever, you can just go from right here right to your door that goes up that back door to your house. So very convenient. It's really nice. Beautiful grounds here, very well kept. The parking's over there, so there's plenty of parking. If you just want to come in and drop groceries off or something right here, you've got like a 15-minute parking zone here. Then you can park over there, or you can park in your garage. There's so many possibilities for you here. So hope you love this house. I hope you love this tour. If you love the video, go ahead and subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out a new video on the real estate market for the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe.